Here we come to the elevator at Westfield UTC, University's Town Center, in San Diego, California. In-car lantern's busted. Oh, slow door. Very fast elevator. Interesting lantern. There's a down light right here too that works. Here's your phone. And out, off I go. That's it for now.